In coastal communities, homeowners face a unique combination of beauty and risk. Ocean views, fresh air, and vibrant surroundings come with exposure to hurricanes, strong winds, salt air, and heavy storms. As a result, property improvements that enhance both protection and long-term value are especially important. One upgrade that continues to gain attention among homeowners and buyers alike is the installation of impact windows. Impact windows are specifically designed to withstand extreme weather conditions. Built with durable frames and layered, shatter-resistant glass, they can endure flying debris and high wind pressures that would easily break standard windows. For homeowners, this added layer of protection brings immediate peace of mind. But beyond safety, impact windows also play a significant role in increasing property value, making them a smart, customer-focused investment in coastal areas. One of the most compelling benefits for homeowners is improved storm protection without the hassle. Traditional storm shutters require installation and removal before and after each storm, which can be time-consuming and stressful. Impact windows, on the other hand, provide year-round protection with no extra effort. This convenience is highly attractive to potential buyers, especially those who may not live in the home full-time or prefer low-maintenance solutions. Insurance savings are another major factor that adds to a home's value. Many insurance providers offer reduced premiums for homes equipped with impact-resistant features. Since coastal properties are considered higher risk, any opportunity to lower insurance costs is a strong selling point. Buyers recognize the long-term financial benefits, which can make a property more competitive in the market. Energy efficiency is an often overlooked advantage that directly appeals to modern homeowners. Impact windows are designed with tight seals and insulating glass that help regulate indoor temperatures. In hot, humid coastal climates, this means less reliance on air conditioning and lower energy bills. Over time, these savings add up, making the home more economical to maintain. Buyers today are increasingly mindful of energy costs, and homes with built-in efficiency features stand out. Noise reduction is another lifestyle benefit that enhances property appeal. Coastal areas can be lively, with sounds from traffic, tourism, and nearby waterfront activities. Impact windows significantly reduce outside noise, creating a quieter, more comfortable indoor environment. For homeowners seeking a peaceful retreat, this feature can be a deciding factor. From a visual standpoint, impact windows also improve curb appeal. They offer a clean, modern look without the need for bulky shutters or temporary coverings. This sleek appearance enhances the overall aesthetic of the home, which can positively influence first impressions. In real estate, appearance matters, and homes that look well maintained and updated often command higher prices. Durability plays a key role in long-term value. Coastal environments are tough on building materials due to salt, humidity, and constant exposure to the elements. Impact windows are built to resist corrosion and wear, meaning they maintain their performance and appearance over time. Buyers appreciate features that won't require immediate replacement or frequent repairs, making the property a more secure investment. Finally, there's the broader market perception. In many coastal regions, impact windows are no longer considered a luxury, they're becoming an expected feature. Homes without them may be seen as less prepared for local conditions, potentially affecting buyer interest and resale value. By installing impact windows, homeowners position their property as up-to-date, resilient, and ready for the demands of coastal living. In the end, impact windows offer more than just storm protection. They provide convenience, savings, comfort, and visual appeal, all of which contribute to a higher property value. For homeowners in coastal communities, this upgrade is not just about safeguarding a home. It's about enhancing its overall worth and making it more attractive to future buyers.